Turn it up. Lower the lights. Let it sit. Below the noise. Chrome reflections on the dash. Breathing slow, foot on gas. Every sound could raise a clean. Silence wrapped in submachine. City fades into a tone. Pressure building in my bones. No distortion, no excess. Just wait. An emptiness. Feel it before you hear it. Don't chase highs, let lows appear. It. No words needed, just control. Sound so deep it takes its toll. Low, below the noise. Low, below the noise. Ow. Glass and steel frequency, moving there inside of me. Heartbeat sinks at 30 hertz. Clean, it's only, nothing hurts. Let the system do the talk. Every step a measure walk. Not a song you sing along. It's a place where you belong. Feel it before you hear it. Don't chase highs, let lows appear. It. No words needed, just control. Sound so deep it takes its toll. Below the noise. Below the noise. No bass that shakes the trunk. Bass that bends the room. No chaos, no attack. Just gravity pulling back. Final drop. Below the noise.